In this video, I'm going to show you the 6 legit online jobs that pays you what? 50k. I mean 50k. Someone may ask, what is online jobs? Online jobs is just an opportunity that allows you to make full-time income. Full-time income. I go by the name Koi Saiba. Before we get into the videos, consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also, don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more videos like this. So now let's get into the video. The number one legit jobs that pays you 50k is blogging. Being a blogger is very easy and super easy. What do bloggers do? Bloggers are some people who write articles and publish it to the internet. Some bloggers also are people who normally do uploads of music and other stuff to the internet and has Google AdSense on their website, and also promote musicians and make a huge amount of money from it. So let's go to the number 2 is being what? A vlogger. Like what I'm doing, I'm vlogging to you. Vloggers are making huge amount of money, especially vloggers like YouTubers, like somebody like Mr. Beast, Koyo Shawty, and other vloggers that I know. They are making huge amount of money from their video. All you need to have is a content or a niche, then a camera. After getting that, then you get a YouTube channel. You start to do what? Upload. And when YouTube verifies you or approves your channel, then you start making your dollars. Let's go straight to the number 3, which is video editing and animation. Let's take animation as an example. You can venture into what? 3D animation, typography animation, cartoon animation, and motion graphics. You can create animation for musicians, like what Ghanaian artist did, Bago Sharif, for his Soldier. This is just an example for you to get to know it. And also, being a video editor is very, very simple, and it is very, very lucrative. It is making people huge amount of money, and it's also one of the rampant job that is circulating around the globe. So you can make 50k just becoming a video editor. Let me give you some clue here. You can edit video for musicians. If you are new babe video editor, you can edit videos for up and coming musician, and you make a huge amount of money. Editing video for someone is one video take 1k. One video take 1k, and it is very, very simple. You can even use your phone to edit video for someone and take some money from them. Let's go to the number 4, which is website designing. Being a website designer is super easy and income generator. Let me put it like that. It's income generator. You can make 40k just by creating a blogging website for support someone, or e-commerce website. When I say e-commerce website, like Alibaba, for example, e-commerce website for somebody, and make your huge amount of money from them. You can even set out and ask like Google Ads approval for somebody and take 500 cedis just like that, and that one will take even like 1 week or something like that. You make your money out. Number 5 is freelancer, freelance copywriter. If I say freelance copywriter, who is a copywriter? A copywriter is someone who writes promotional materials for company that convince its customers to buy starts from their company. So you can be someone like that. If you are someone that you easily convince people to get into something, then you have the idea to become a copywriter, and for that matter, you start making a huge amount of money. Copywriters are making money. If they will not tell you. I will tell you today. So you can get into that and just start making a huge amount of money. Let's talk about the last one, which is graphic designing. You can make huge amount of money whether you are doing it online or offline. I mean, whether you are doing it online or offline. Let's talk about the online. Online is organizing a seminar for people, teaching them how to do their graphic designing and other stuff. And offline is visiting people one-on-one, telling them about your brand, telling them about the kind of graphics that you do. Then they will give you the job, you do it for them. And even if you are in your comfort zone and you promote yourself bro, I'm telling you, you're going to make that 50K at simplest of spot. So let's go to this is the bonus one. Is what? Online tutorial. This is the bonus one for you. You can be online tutorial, as I said before, organize seminar for people, teaching people via what? Zoom, and a whole lot of stuff. What you know, don't let it go waste. Whatever you are creative of doing, don't let it go waste. You can make huge amount of money from it. I still go by the name Code Cyber. Please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And also, don't forget to tap on the notification bell to get more video like this.